Hi, viewers, Samanath, Smart Steps Trader. So today, one of the milestone for metal sector, Nifty metal touched the all-time high. So the detail and a glance about that index we will see in the video. Then there are a question mark. The Nifty rally will continue or not? If continue, how much until where it will go? That also we will see. And today, two IPO stocks are listed. One is True Alt Bio Energy and another one is Jin Kushal Industries. So about that we will see that, and similarly we will see usually four stocks in F&O, two gainers and two losers from the F&O stocks that that we will see detail one by one. So before that, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am sharing this for educational purpose, sharing my views. That's it. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. Now we will go to the video. Before that, request, please do subscribe and like the video. So about Nifty metal. So Nifty metal, there it has 15 stocks in it. So the top 10 stocks are these are the list, and the weightages. Tata Steel has 19%, 19.40, Hindalco 15, and JSW 14.88, almost 15. So this is the list top 10 stocks. And about the weightage in Nifty. So the Nifty metal has the in Nifty 3.74 percentage weightage it has. So this is about Nifty's list. About the IPO, the Jin Kushal Industries. So this company involves in the construction machines export. So it is exporting nearly 30 countries actually, and it has their own branch XL in the name. That IPO performance we will see. Then another IPO is True Alt. So this is the largest biofuel producer, especially in ethanol. So they are the largest ethanol producers in India. Okay, now we will see the market overview. Today Nifty close to 57 point positive closure. Then large cap 66 and mid cap 179, small cap 145 and micro cap 306 points. All are positive closure. And about bank 241 points and Nifty IT 44 point positively closed. So everything is in sync in the same direction, we can say that. So that is most important. So the Nifty upward prospects is brighter now. About sectoral indices, so the Nifty metal has 1.82 percentage positive closure. That is the highest one. The least one is Nifty healthcare, that is 0.22 percentage minus. So these are just near flat, we can see that. So overall we can see that all the sectors having the positive vibe, we can say that. So now we will see the overall direction of the market. So before that we will see further metal details. So the Nifty metal exactly last year 3rd June it touched the all-time high of 10,000 was it here 10,196. Then last year September 30th it has touched 10,322. Now it touched 10,347. So this is the all-time high now. Exactly 1 year after from here, exactly 1 year after, I mean just 3 days away. That's it. So it touched the all-time high. So this index, the Nifty Metal Index, have 15 stocks actually. See the list here, and if you see here from the all-time high, 0 to 2 percentage, 0 to 5 percentage, 5 to 7 percentage from the all-time high. If you see that there are around seven stocks in an all-time high. The rest of the stocks all in all-time high. So still, what it denotes is still it has lot of room to go further in the upward direction. So that's about metal Nifty metal. About the IPO, so True Alt Bioenergy, this is one of the IPO. The IPO issue price is 496, and today the trading low was 512 and high is 549. At the end of the day, it closed to 530, 7.05 percentage positive closure. I mean, the listing day performance was 7.05 percentage profit percentage. The next one is Jin Kushal Industries. So the issue price is 121, the trading low is 118 and high is 126. Actually, most of the time today it was in the minus, but how somehow it managed at the end of the day it closed to 0.55. Sentimentally, a positive closure, just 0.5% positive closure. Now we will see Nifty direction. So Nifty, now it is at 24,984. The resistance is 25,000. So just 101 point away from the resistance. So even intraday definitely, I mean, very easily it will test the resistance. But the thing is, the last swing high is 25,000. Sorry, after 25,450. There are a lot of chances again it will test this swing high. There is expectation, definitely it will go 25,650 by this time. Let me see. Then Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the immediate support is 55,000. So now it is well above the support line, 55,589. So nearly 600 point away from the support line. So it has a very good momentum in the upward direction. So the resistance is 57,500. Then Nifty IT. So this don't have any significant green, but still it trying to gain the momentum. Once it start gaining the momentum, the resistance would be 35,000. So last time it is supposed to go close to 39,000 because of H&B visa fish abruptly rise. So it has fallen. So that drives the Nifty also. So again it will slowly gaining the momentum. Let me see in the coming days. Then mid and small 400 is one of very good index. This is, it will give a very good market perspective, the direction and all. So it's one of the reliable index. This index consists of mid cap 150 and small cap 250. So both combinedly, the mid and small 400, one of the reliable index. So it has the support of 19,500. Now it is 19,832. So the previous swing high is 20,345. So it has gaining a very good momentum in the upward direction. Hope definitely it will achieve the recent swing high. So all this about our Indian market. Now we'll see our big brother US market. So last session the Dow closed 78 point positive closure, S&P 500 4 points, and NASDAQ Composite Index 88 point positive closure. So Dow made an all-time high last session. So all these three indexes are in the all-time zone. If you see the chart, Dow, this is NASDAQ made all-time high, and this is Dow is all-time high zone, and S&P 500 yesterday it created an all-time high and it's an all-time zone. So all these stocks indexes are in very good positivity. So this reflect some positivity in our market also. So with that respect, we can hope our market also go in the upward direction in the coming session. Okay, about the four stocks we used to analyze this from the F&O. So that gainers is the top two gainers are Kalyan Jewellers and Indian Bank, and loser is Max Healthcare and Saman Capital. These stocks we will see one by one. The first one is Kalyan Jewellers. So see, these stocks are around 800. It has come down to 440. We can say nearly 50%. Then somehow tried to manage in the upward direction, unable. Again, it has come down. Took a support around the 440. Again, tried to ride it. Again, come down to 440 this time. So this is multiple time it took a support at 440. I hope near future it won't break this 440. That's how it looks. Now it is gaining a very good the upward momentum. So today it has closed to 5.77% positive closure. So the next resistance would be 6,000. 600 would be the next resistance. So it will easily achieve. So that's how the chart looks. It we see in the coming days. The next one is Indian Bank. So if you see, it's clearly in the channel. It is in the upward direction. So last session it broke the channel, but not much ahead, closer from the resistance. But today, if you see, it closed very well above the channel resistance. So it may further go in the higher side, but definitely any stock will come back to the mean area. So that's how we can expect it may come to 730 in the near future. There may be further progress, but eventually it will come to the mean. The worst come worst is at least 700 will touch. That is the support, the channel support, we can say that. The next is Max Health. Today it lost 3.95 percentage in the negative closure. See, if you see the current price is took the multiple time, it will took the support here. But today, though it looks closing in the downward, if you see many times it broke and again it will reverses from there. So with that respect, we can expect that it will may lot of chances it will may reverse from this zone. It will see in the coming days. Next, Summon Capital. 4 days ago, I said the 145 was the strong resistance. So it has very well broke that resistance, the very good breakout. I said again further it will rally. So as I said, it is rallying very well. The next resistance would be 200. So there are a lot of chances it will test the 200. So multiple time it touched that 200 prices. So now again it is progressing. Let me see. So this is all about this today's video. I hope this for stocks, if you are considering, always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Don't take my opinion as it is. Okay. So with this we will wind up this video. Please do subscribe and like. See you in next video. Until now, bye. Thank you.